Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a card in Squid Game. First, let's gather our simple supplies. You'll need a piece of cardstock, ideally a light color like cream or light gray, measuring about 3 inches by 5 inches. Grab a ruler, a pencil, an eraser, and a pair of scissors. Finally, a black marker or fine-tip pen will be perfect for drawing the iconic shapes. These basic items are all you need to start crafting your very own game card. Now that you have your materials, let's create the card's base. Take your cardstock and use a ruler to measure out a rectangle that is precisely 3 inches wide and 5 inches long. Carefully cut along your pencil lines to get a clean, straight edge. Next, fold this rectangle exactly in half lengthwise, ensuring the corners meet perfectly. Press firmly along the fold to create a sharp crease, giving your card a sturdy, authentic feel. With your card folded, it's time for the most recognizable part, the symbols. On the front of your card, lightly sketch a circle, a triangle, and a square. Aim for each symbol to be approximately 1 inch in diameter or side length, spaced about 1/2 inch apart. Once you are happy with their placement and size, carefully trace over your pencil lines using your black marker. Erase any visible pencil marks for a clean, professional finish. Your Squid Game card is almost complete. Take a moment to inspect your work. Check for any smudges or areas where the lines might be uneven and make any necessary corrections. For an extra touch of authenticity, you could even add a small, handwritten number on the back, just like in the show. Now, your handmade card is ready for you to challenge friends to a game of deedakshi or simply display as a cool prop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.